What do you think about Optimus being able to handle tasks that involve water, such as washing dishes, watering plants, cleaning food, mopping floors, or bathing pets? Essentially, Tesla must equip the Tesla Optimus with water resistance before starting deliveries at the end of this year or early next year, because this is fundamental for it to effectively assist humans in various tasks as a homemaker or companion. Elon Musk has emphasized that the Tesla bot can do anything you want, even tasks it has never done before. Most recently, Optimus's hands have been upgraded to provide comprehensive water resistance and antibacterial protection. With this capability, humanoid robots have never been more reliable. So, why does Optimus need water resistance? How important is this feature? Welcome to evtech. Before we begin, please help us reach 500 subscribers. It will be a huge motivation for us to continue bringing you episodes about Tesla bots, Tesla EVs, and the latest news. Thank you. In the era of rapidly advancing technology, water resistance has become a crucial feature for modern devices, especially robots and smart gadgets. More than just a functional aspect, water resistance opens up vast possibilities for extending the range of applications and enhancing the durability of devices in daily life and work environments. Take the iPhone as an example. Early versions lacked water resistance, but over time, it became a must-have feature. For a $20,000 robot like the Tesla bot, water resistance is indispensable, especially when used outdoors, where it may face rain, high humidity, or unexpected situations like floods. Even more straightforwardly, many tasks it performs involve contact with water. Many questions have been raised about the Tesla bot, such as whether it can wash its hands after completing a task. Some feel uneasy at the thought of it cleaning a bathroom and then immediately preparing food in the kitchen without washing its hands. Others worry about it breaking down after a few rain showers while operating outdoors. Clearly, no one would consider purchasing Optimus if these concerns weren't addressed. Thus, we confidently predict that Optimus will feature comprehensive water resistance. Looking at the design of Optimus, about 70% of its body is encased in plastic. This not only makes it lightweight, but also provides excellent water resistance. Of course, certain parts remain exposed, such as the arms with visible cables and actuators. This understandably leads to skepticism about whether Optimus's hands can handle water-related tasks like washing dishes or doing laundry. However, the new generation of Optimus's hands demonstrates significant improvements. In the video where Optimus catches a tennis ball, its 22-degree of freedom hand appears to be nearly entirely enclosed, almost like it has an additional glove layer, suggesting water resistance and the capability for more complex tasks. Comparing the left and right hands in the video, you can see a substantial difference in design. Elon Musk has also shared that
the hand might be close to half of all the engineering in Optimus. From an electromechanical standpoint, the hand is probably roughly half of the engineering.
This actually quietly reveals that Optimus's hands will function like human hands, capable of performing tasks that human hands can do, regardless of terrain, weather, or environment. Water resistance not only protects sensitive components such as circuits and actuators, but also minimizes the risk of damage, helping to extend the product's lifespan. This means users will save significantly on repair and maintenance costs. With the Tesla bot, its battery is also securely enclosed, much like how Tesla does with its electric vehicles, to the point where water is almost completely inaccessible. In summary, the combination of the new, flexible hand design and the protective plastic covering around the body allows this robot to have reliable water resistance. This is not only a technical achievement, but also a testament to Tesla's vision of creating intelligent, powerful, and dependable robots. With water resistance and many other smart features, Optimus will become a valuable assistant for many useful tasks. Clearly, none of us want to wash dishes, right? Once again, please help us reach 500 subscribers. This is important for us to stay motivated. Thank you.
In fact, when it comes to competitors in Tesla's humanoid robot field, the list is extensive. However, if we were to highlight one robot with superior specifications compared to Tesla's Optimus, Unitree H1 from China is getting lots of attention.
It's expected to cost much less than a car.
Just bring it directly to the right here.
I would say probably less than $20,000 would be my guess.
The anticipated selling price of the Tesla bot is always an advantage, confidently securing customer preference, as $20,000 is not a significant amount to make many people hesitate. However, when it comes to Unitree H1, it's a different story. Yeah, $150,000, the selling price set by the manufacturer. Yes, that is quite expensive. It's more expensive than 2 Model X cars combined and may lead many of us to reconsider adding it to our shopping carts. Previously, when discussing the price of Optimus, Elon Musk mentioned that their robot would be cheaper than a car produced in millions every year.
The Optimus is designed to be an extremely capable robot, but made in very high volume, probably ultimately millions of units, and it is expected to cost much less than a car.
While Unitree has been commercialized and is set for early delivery this year, on Tesla's end, Musk has stated that Optimus is still in the development phase to achieve maximum utility, with few deliveries expected in 2025. For a robot priced at $150,000, it must undoubtedly feature superior technologies worthy of the price, at least holding the title of the fastest humanoid robot in the world. So, what makes Unitree H1 confident that it'll overwhelm the Tesla bot? Similar to the Tesla bot, Unitree H1 is designed with various applications in mind, including research and development, education, and service industries. Speaking of its size, as you can see, it truly looks quite simple from design to appearance, all wrapped in a mysterious black color that makes everyone eager to explore. We're not sure if humanoid robot manufacturers adhere to any specific size standards, but the truth is, from Atlas Boston Dynamics, Tesla Bot, Kepler Forerunner, and Unitree, they all fall within 5 feet 10 inch range, a size that brings efficiency in resembling human stature the most. Not stopping there, to achieve the ability to walk at a speed of 3.3 meters a second, part of it seems to rely on the impressive weight of the Unitree H1, compared to the 103 pounds. Looking at the simplicity of this humanoid robot, surely the manufacturer must have focused quite a bit on the material and weight of the machinery inside it. You can simply focus on its head, which is an interesting hollow head. Of course, 103 pounds is significantly lighter than the current 138 pounds of Tesla's bot, and its speed also surpasses considerably the 0.6 meters per second of Optimus. Optimus only has 2 degrees of freedom in its feet for balance. Unitree H1 has the advantage of being both light and tall, designed to maintain a stable standing posture, even in situations requiring enduring strong shocks at fixed points. It remains stable even when it's kicked. The special thing is based on a maximum torque of up to 360 Nm at the knee, hip torque of 220 Nm, so this robot can confidently move and operate on difficult terrain and in complex environments. Detailed information about the number of degrees of freedom in the leg section has also been revealed. There's a total of 5 degrees of freedom, including 3 at the hip, 1 at the knee, and 1 at the ankle. This indicates the flexibility and adaptability of the robot across various terrains and in many different situations. The Unitree H1 not only demonstrates unprecedented walking speed, but also showcases advanced whole-body coordination by dancing, climbing up and down stairs effortlessly, as well as doing high jumps comparable to those of a man standing next to it. All these possibilities raise concerns that there will be a big gap between the two robot technologies. Is this true? Alongside its sturdy, stable design, high flexibility, and superior mobility, the H1 excels in adapting to various complex environments and terrains. At first glance, it may seem incredibly impressive enough to leave the Optimus robot behind, but in reality, both the Unitree H1 and the Tesla bot boast equally efficient performance metrics without significant differences, with Tesla Optimus even slightly edging out. Firstly, it's quite puzzling to learn that the Unitree H1 only has 864 watt-hour battery pack and a maximum voltage of 67.2 volts. With such a battery size, the robot will operate for a shorter period, approximately around 5 hours or less, due to Unitree's relatively fast walking speed, which consumes more energy. For modern industrial robot products, this seems lower than the prevailing standard. Typically, robots designed for continuous operation over long periods are equipped with more robust battery systems, especially in applications that require a continuous operation like in industrial environments. At Tesla Bot, the initial prototype was confirmed to come equipped with a 52-volt, 2.3 kWh battery pack with integrated electronic devices for cooling and energy management, located in the chest area of the body. With the Gen 2 update, Tesla engineers have been able to upgrade to a higher capacity battery pack in the latest update, but they are hesitant to disclose it because they were worried about copying that continues to occur. The standard 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery pack allows Optimus to operate continuously throughout the day or somewhere around 20 hours depending on the usage scenario. Thanks for watching our video. If you found the content helpful and want to explore more exciting info about Tesla EVs, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Also, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.